Hi everyone, welcome back to Weekend Vlogs. Hope everyone is doing good. And today's video is something interesting one and definitely different video from my previous ones. Yes, currently I'm staying in a rented apartment. I've been trying to change my bare walls into something interesting without drilling or any nails. There is some easy hack to do. Hope you all like watching this video. And also this is really inexpensive and everybody can do this. Hope you all like watching this video. And obviously,
Wait. First is my video, not your video.
Alina is on her term break. She is very much interested in cooking. Also, here is the 1 minute easy chocolate cake. 1 minute chocolate mud cake video coming up. So first, get into her video and then come back to mine. Let's go into the video and come back to mine.
Hello friends, this is Alina Asha. Today I'm going to make chocolate mud cake. It's so easy to make it. It's so simple, easy peasy, crazy. Let's go in the video.
Okay.
Okay.
So what are the ingredients?
3 tablespoons
Wheat flour.
Wheat flour.
Mhm.
3 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Mhm.
And 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder,
Mhm.
3 tablespoons of milk,
Okay.
2 tablespoons of oil, 1 or 3 teaspoons coffee powder, some chocolate or chocolate chips,
Mhm.
salt a pinch.
Okay.
Okay, let's go in the video.
Okay. Let's make it.
Let's make it. The first ingredient is
Hmm.
wheat.
So let's mix all the dry ingredients first.
Let's make the all dry ingredients.
Mix,
first.
okay?
Mix dry ingredients first.
Hmm.
Now we are going to put flour. Next, it is brown sugar.
Hmm.
And next is cocoa powder.
This is dark cocoa powder. You can choose a normal one also.
I'm done with the cocoa powder. Next, it is chocolate. I'm going to put the chocolate in. Now we put, it's a little hot. Next, we are going to mix for this.
Mix slowly.
Mix slowly because the mixture will come out.
Add the salt too.
All the salt even I'm going to put. Little only I put salt. Then mix it.
Coffee powder.
Coffee powder. I'm going to. It's hard. Mama, can you help? Now I'm going to take
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
That's it.
Okay. Milk and oil to mix it. Let's put it in.
Milk and oil together.
Now it's already wet. Let's keep this away and let's mix it. Can you see the chocolate mixture? Mix. It'll be turning like this. It'll be little hard to mix. It's okay. You can mix it. Finally, we are going to put the baking soda because we forgot to put.
Add this and nicely mix.
And nicely mix. It's still the chocolatey.
Okay, it's done.
Yeah. Now just need to put 1 second in the oven.
1 minute.
1 minute. Now let's cook it. Don't forget to remove the spoon. So excited! I'm going to be happy. Finally, it's ready. So good and the smell amazing. If you want sprinkles, you can. I'm putting little. Let's put.
Little, okay?
Now is my favorite part to taste it. Ooh. Can you see it? I put rainbow sprinkles. The rainbow sprinkles are good. You should try this out. Thank you for watching.
So back to my video, which is a living room wall makeover. This is an easy DIY frame idea for the living room wall. This is absolutely an ideal solution to getting that gallery wall you always desired, but without drilling any holes in your walls. The outcome is so good. It is sure to blow your mind that something so simple can work so beautifully. So just take a look. First, I plan to make a DIY cardboard wall frames using a leftover cardboard at my home. So I have some square and rectangular shaped cardboard pieces. Just covering it with the black paper with the help of Fevicol or any type of glue. Just cover it nicely in the front part, and the back part I have just left it like this, and it's ready. With the ice cream sticks, here I am making a simple craft so that I can place on top of the cardboard piece. Taking 4 sticks and making it a square, placing the glue on the corners, and 8 squares are made out of it, and coloring it with the black acrylic paint. And on top of that, when it is completely dried, giving it a copper shade, which gives an attractive look. So I decided to give the gold color also. I have given 4 copper shades and 4 golden shades, and now sticking like this on the cardboard, the rectangular cardboard piece, and kept it aside for drying, and it is done. Keeping this wall decor on my bookshelf, and it was absolutely nice and gives a vibrant look too. Next is the easiest among all, just sticking some star-shaped stickers on the cardboard evenly. This itself was nice, but for a change, I have painted half of it with a golden color. And that's it. Very simple and definitely gives a classy look. In another piece of cardboard, I have drew some lines, sticking it with the skewers and painting it with golden color. The extra skewers which is popping on the side, I'm just cutting with the cutting plier. And the place where all the skewers are joining was not looking nice, so I placed a black a black painted flower, and this is the complete look of both the cardboard pieces. Next one is with the paper plates. These are the paper plates. We can use them directly. Pretty easy to get in supermarkets, e-commerce stores, etc., and very easy to use. There are multiple ways of styling them. Here I have used about 8 paper plates and coloring the sides with the golden and copper color, and the corners are nicely done. Be careful while painting the corners. Now when the borders are completely dried, we can do whatever we want. We can just stick some pictures or even writing like what I did. just written some featuring words like dream, live, love, or anything wall decor that never goes out of style. You can do according to your wish. This is an easy DIY frame idea for both photos or an art that is an ideal solution to getting your wall always desired but without drilling or any holes in your walls. Now sticking the double-sided tape on all the wall decors. Alright, that's done. Now it's ready to go up on the wall. Let's check how it is turned out. Simple, also budget friendly and eco-friendly. The outcome is so good, it is sure to blow your mind that something so simple can work so beautifully. Many times, as re-enters and even as homeowners, we think 1,000 times before drilling holes in our walls. The living room or the wall of photos and art requires several nails, isn't it? But this is absolutely an easy option. Definitely make a try. We live in a rented apartment, but that never stops me in making a home beautiful where my family live in. Just some simple changes. These simple changes and the little things give me more happiness. As you can see, it's now complete. I have just some paper plates and cardboard pieces to recreate this look, and it turned out pretty good. A simple process, isn't it? There are multiple ways of styling a wall, but I got this idea from Pinterest, YouTube videos, etc. All help me to make such a beautiful look for my home. This is absolutely vibrant. Definitely make a try and send me your feedback. If you like my efforts, please give me a thumbs up. If you're watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe my channel. And definitely thanks for watching.